Do you know how to find the ZHAGA certificate of our product? I'm going to review it today. I will take the JL700 of Shanghai LongJoin as an example to demonstrate to you. First of all, we need to find the ZHAGA consortium website. Please remember that only here is the most authoritative query. We then click on the ZHAGA certified label and click on the ZHAGA certified product database. Enter the corresponding product module in the search bar. The product certification, state, ISBN, brand, and other relevant information will pop up below. The most important is the page has the product details of the link. You can click freely to view, very convenient and fast. Of course, the ZHAGA website also supports the ability to download ZHAGA certificates for product if necessary. I'm Aubrey from Shanghai LongJoin. Do you understand the process of finding ZHAGA certificate for products? Want to know more content? Welcome to leave a message to tell me. Bye!